In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide education on LinkedIn. First, start by signing in to your LinkedIn account. Once you land on your homepage, look to the top of the screen for the Me menu. Click that and then choose Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all of your account, data, and visibility controls in one place, so you can fine-tune who sees what. Inside Settings and Privacy, go to the Visibility section. This area controls how your profile appears to people both on and off LinkedIn. Now click Edit Your Public Profile. LinkedIn will open a page that shows a preview of your public profile, along with options to choose which sections are visible to the public web, like people who find you through search engines or visit your profile without signing in. To hide your education, look for the Education option and switch the toggle off. Sometimes this appears as a green on and off button. Turning it off hides the entire education section from your public profile. This doesn't delete anything and it doesn't change what you see when you're logged in. It simply removes the education section from the version of your profile that non-logged in visitors can view. At the top of that same page, you'll also see a master setting for your profile's public visibility. If you want to take things further, you can turn off that top toggle to put your profile into a more private mode on the public web. Doing that hides much more than just education. It limits most public-facing information, so only people signed in on LinkedIn, based on your other settings, will see your details. Again, you are not removing content, just controlling who can view it publicly. After making your changes, take a moment to review the preview on the page and confirm the education section no longer appears. Sometimes updates can take a few minutes to reflect across the web, especially in search results. So don't worry if it isn't instantaneous. That's all you need to do. You've adjusted your public profile settings, hidden your education, and if you chose, tightened your overall public visibility. Remember, you can come back to the same place anytime to turn the toggle back on or adjust other sections as your preferences change. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon for new uploads.